Hey guys, welcome back to this video. If you've been following me lately, I made a video yesterday, and we're going to be building a Lego set of a helicopter. It's called Lego Creator, and I'm going to be showing you. So get ready for some fun. Okay, so here's how we do it. I'm going to read the instruction book, and I'm going to be looking at the instruction book, and you guys just watch me build. Okay, so the first step, we take this piece, and we take one of these pieces, and then we just attach it. Like that. That's how simple. Okay, and then we take, hold on. Let me find the pieces first. Just give me a minute. Okay, so those are the type of pieces we need for this set. Okay, now the next page. So the next thing you need is no, not that piece. This piece right here. And, hold on one second. Okay, we're back. And this is what you need to do. You take this piece and you put one of these on there. We put this on there. And we're building a helicopter, okay, not a plane. I'm using a Lego Creator set, so I can make other videos, okay, and that's what you want to get. Oh, and it's also duplicating, so you have to do it twice, so just give me a minute. Okay, we're ready for the next step. Okay, let's get the pieces we need. We're going to need this piece to put over here. And then we're going to need a small white piece, like this piece, and then put it there, like that, okay? And now the next step, we need, just give me a minute. Okay, I got the pieces, and now the next step is you take these two pieces, put them together, and just put them on there, okay? Now let me get to the next step. Okay, we're back again. And we put these kind of pieces in here. And then we'll take this piece and put it here. Now it's got closer to a helicopter, right? Okay. On to the next step. We need two of these, which I have. And then we just attach them to the front, which is nice and easy. And once we're done with this video, I'll show you the finished model. Okay, the next step is we put this kind of piece in here. As you see, there's like a little gap or good down there. Okay, and now we gotta go to the next step. No, not that. This and hold on, give me a minute. Okay, we're back, and I found the piece we need. We need two of these to put them here. Hold on. Oh, my mistake. We put them here. And that there. And now to the next step. Okay, we're back. We need two of these, as you can see. And then we just put them on right here and here. Now to the next step. Okay, now we're back, and then now this is what we gotta do. We put one of these here, and then the other one on the other side, like that. Wait, hold on. Oh, my mistake. Sorry. Ugh. Yeah, put it like that. Put this piece in the front. And we're back, okay? Now to the next step. Okay, we're back. And then now this is what we have to do. We put one of these here, and one of those there, and then two of these, I guess, yeah. One there, and one there. Yeah. Now to the next step. Okay, now we're back again. And then now we gotta take these two pieces and we put them one here and one here. Okay, now to the next step. Okay, now the next step is, which is step number 14, we put one of those pieces there and one of these pieces there. Now to the next step. Okay, we're back again, and then now all we have to do is put that piece in there. There. Okay, and then the next step is that we take one of these pieces and then put it in here. Yeah, like that. Okay, and now the next step is... Okay, now we're back again, and then now we gotta do that. Take one of those white pieces, put there, and then take two of these gray pieces and put them there. Okay? Okay, and next step is that we take another white piece, put it there. Take two of these black pieces and put them like that. Okay, now the next step. We gotta take... just give me a minute. We take two of these black pieces and put them over like that. Okay, now the next step. Okay, now we're back again, and then here's what we have to do. We take this white piece and red piece, we put them together like this, okay? And then we put this gray small piece in front of that, okay? And then, now what we have to do is, give me a minute. Okay, here's what we do. I did the wrong side, but anyway, I did the wrong side. So, you just put it there, okay? See how that's there? So we're gonna do the same thing for that side. So excuse me. Okay, and we just gotta do that. And now we're ready. Okay, next step. Okay, we gotta go a bit faster. So you take this. So you take these two pieces, go like that. And the piece like that, and then you go, because we're building a whole second part, okay? And then you go like that, and that's what you're going to come up with, and then there's going to be two small red pieces, like these, that go like that. Okay, and then, hold on. And then one small yellow piece goes up here. And then you attach this whole thing. So we attach it to the back of the helicopter, okay? Okay, now we add one of these in the back here. And then we add one of, not that, this over on top. And then we get two white pieces that look like this on here, I think. Wait, hold up. So we put the red piece and then two white pieces here, okay? Next step. Oh, I forgot one more thing. And we take these arms, you just place them like there. I don't know why, but hey, who knows? You just put them on. That. And then, now, next step, we take this giant red piece and then put it on here. You take two pieces like this and then put them on like that. Give me a minute. Okay, next step. We take one of these and one of these, attach them like this, okay, and then we attach one of these onto there, like that, and then we take these pieces and go like, yeah, one like that, and then one like that, okay, and then I'll see the next step. Okay, so we take this part and then we attach it literally onto the helicopter like there, and then now we have that part. Now get ready for the next step. Okay, I'm going to show you the next step. So, we take one of these and then attach one of these onto them like that. And then we take two of these, attach them onto the sides, as you can see. Okay, and then we attach two of these on the top, okay? And I have to just duplicate the whole thing. Oh, and also we put one of these in here, okay? In the back, okay? I'm just gonna duplicate it real quick, and then we'll get on to the next part. Okay, so the next step is we take this piece and put it into our propeller, and then it just goes in the back of the helicopter, like I think you know how, okay? Like that, okay? Next step. Okay, we take one of these, put it on here, as it's kind of so big. As you can see, the thing is on there. Okay, now we add this. Wait, no, not that. We add this on the top of that, so it can spin, and then. Okay, so basically the last step is that you take this long piece, and you put these yellow things, and you put 4 of them on there. Let me duplicate them, okay? Okay, last step. I did them all, and then now we take this piece and put it on the top, and I'll show you the finished model, okay? The finished model! Woo! Guys, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to leave a like, no dislikes. I'll see you next video of how to probably do another set, okay? Because this creator is 3-in-1, okay? I'll see you then. Bye.